Urgent sell Suzuki Alto is like brand new, 0 meter only 150 mileage, and ready for you to drive. Don't miss limited time offer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are featuring a Suzuki Alto VXR 2012, a car that stands out for its excellent condition, low maintenance, and ready-to-drive status. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, reliable, and smooth driving hatchback in Karachi, this video is exactly what you need. This Suzuki Alto is ideal for anyone who wants a trouble-free vehicle that combines fuel efficiency, performance, and comfort. Whether it's for city commuting, family use, or first-time car ownership, this Alto delivers everything a small hatchback should. Let's start with the basic specifications. The car is a Suzuki Alto VXR, 2012 model, finished in white color, which gives it a timeless look. White is always popular because it stays clean longer and looks neat in any environment. This particular car has 150,000 kilometers on the odometer, which is reasonable for a vehicle of this age. The engine is in pristine condition, performing smoothly without any unusual noises or mechanical issues. One of the most impressive features of this Alto is the fan-chilled AC, which works perfectly. This ensures that every ride is comfortable, especially in Karachi's hot climate. You can drive the car in traffic or on long city routes, and the AC will keep the cabin perfectly cool. The exterior of the car is well maintained. While there are some minor genuine pieces, the overall appearance is clean, fresh, and well kept. The body panels are aligned, the paint shines, and the car looks presentable for its age. The interior is equally impressive, with original seats, panels, and dashboard, giving the car a neat and genuine feel. This makes the Alto a very appealing choice for anyone who wants a small car that feels cared for. The suspension system is in excellent condition. Driving this car on city roads, uneven streets, or slightly rough terrain is smooth and comfortable. You get a stable and secure ride, which adds to the overall driving pleasure. This makes it a perfect daily driver, capable of handling Karachi's roads without any issues. Another significant advantage of this Alto is its fuel efficiency. Suzuki Altos are known for low fuel consumption, which is ideal for city driving or commuting long distances without frequent fuel stops. The combination of low running costs, smooth performance, and reliable engine makes this hatchback a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now let's talk about who this car is perfect for. This Suzuki Alto VXR 2012 is perfect for first-time car owners who want a reliable and easy-to-drive vehicle, small families searching for a comfortable, fuel-efficient car, students or young professionals who need a budget-friendly, city-friendly hatchback, people who are looking for a trouble-free used car with low maintenance costs, anyone who wants a ready-to-drive car without spending extra on repairs or upgrades. This car is ideal not only for personal use but also for daily office commuting, running errands, or short family trips. Its compact size makes parking and city driving extremely easy, which is perfect for congested areas. The engine deserves special mention. It is in pristine condition, which means it performs like a nearly new car. The power delivery is smooth, the gearbox operates efficiently, and there are no leaks or engine issues. This is important because a car's engine condition determines its long-term reliability and cost of ownership. The tires of the car are in very good condition. They provide excellent road grip, stability, and safety while driving. You won't need to replace them immediately, which is a bonus for any buyer. The AC system works perfectly and is fully functional, making the car comfortable during long drives or in Karachi's summer heat. This is often a key concern for city drivers, and this Alto handles it flawlessly. Another point to note is the car's low maintenance. Suzuki Altos are known for their easy availability of spare parts, affordable servicing, and durable design. This Alto is no exception, providing a worry-free ownership experience. The car's handling and ride comfort are excellent. Even on uneven streets or minor potholes, the suspension absorbs shocks efficiently, giving you a smooth and stable ride. It is also very responsive while turning or maneuvering in city traffic, making it a stress-free driving experience. Now let's consider why Suzuki Alto VXR is one of the most searched cars in Pakistan. Fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, a car with low consumption is highly desirable. Reliability. Altos are known to last long if maintained properly. Compact size. Easy for city driving and parking. Low maintenance. Spare parts are cheap and easily available. Affordable price. The Alto delivers value without compromising on quality. For people searching online for Suzuki Alto VXR 2012 in Karachi, use Suzuki Alto, budget hatchbacks, or low-maintenance cars, this video will be very helpful. The price is also very reasonable considering the car's condition, engine, AC, suspension, tires, and overall maintenance. Serious buyers looking for ready-to-drive, hassle-free vehicles will find this deal attractive. This is an urgent sale, and cars in this condition do not stay on the market for long. Interested buyers should act fast to inspect and finalize the deal. Outgoing email symbol for more details, inspection, or price discussion, please contact inbox. And finally, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to thumbs up sign like this video. Repeat button share it with friends or family who are looking for a budget-friendly, reliable car. Bell subscribe to our channel for more urgent car sales, used cars, and low-maintenance vehicles in Pakistan. Stay tuned, because we regularly upload videos featuring clean, ready-to-drive cars from all over Karachi and Sindh. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.